So guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna replace the front lip and the splitter that broke. You saw that in the previous video I have repainted and repaired it. So yeah, this video when I'm gonna put it back on place. So I hope you're gonna enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna show you one more thing. I have a new camera setting. I'm gonna show you. Look here, new microphone, so I hope everything gonna sound good when I talk now. I know before when I used my GoPro, it sounds like crap, so I'm gonna buy an adapter to my GoPro too. So yeah, don't forget to like the video too. See ya in the time lapse.
So I have put one screw here and here and one on each side, you can see here. I'm gonna do the same with the splitter, but I'm gonna use longer screws and bolts, so yeah. So you can probably see the other hole I did. Yeah, I measured it wrong the first time. Even YouTubers make mistakes. So yeah, you're probably gonna learn when you do it by yourself. Make sure to mask your headlights, because you don't want to scratch the headlights when you put back the front bumper. It's easy to scratch it because yeah, it's a big piece and you can't just hold everything in place. So yeah, be careful when you do this. I'm gonna give you a good tip. If you are not so sure about to do this, you should be 2-person, because it's very hard to put this back on place when you are alone. Before you tighten up these screws on the top of the front bumper, make sure so you don't have a too big gap or tight gap between the front and the hood. I just wanna say thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share the video. See you next time.